one of the things about being ready is being ready to give to others. And something we did the past couple weeks is we brought in a ton of cans for people that needed them to support the Christmas Mother.
Good afternoon, Cubs. How are you? Woo! You all have shown how responsible you are because you remembered to bring canned goods to give to the Christmas Mother. And for that, I say thank you. And isn't it great to know that you have helped another family have a happier Christmas? Yes.
All right, now what you've all been waiting for, the big reveal, the big winners. All right, I see the joy, the ecstasy. Let's go down for fifth grade. Fifth grade was a close race. Our fourth grade winner coming in another tight race was Mrs. Dobbs' class.